Sir, clarification lang. Because before you said that the athletes can enter the village 3 days before their competition. So now gymnastics starts 27. So you're saying they're allowed on July 20? So like 1 week before?
Yes, maraming sports na pinayagan ng pumasok ng maaga.
So all our gymnasts will be in on July 20?
I think so. Even boxing, dahil maaga rin sila.
27 in boxing. Sir, can you give us more detail on the training of the boxers? So from Metz, they went to Germany to do some sparring sessions?
Yeah, that's only 30 minutes away from Metz.
Okay.
So, by land. Inahatid nga ng POC sa van. Inahatid. So, balik lang. Yung isang balik lang. Pero nandun pa rin yung mga gamit sa Metz. Yung kay Kaloy naman, kay Yulo, nasa Metz yung all equipment exercises nasa Metz, except for the floor. Ang nasa Metz niya, all brands to be used in Olympics, except for the floor exercise. He needs to travel 30 minutes also from Metz. Hinahatid din siya. Hindi naman kasi everyday yung floor niya.
Yeah.
So it can be twice a week or thrice a week.
Yeah. Sir,
But doon sa Metz, meron din floor. Iba lang yung brand.
yes.
Not that, to be used in Olympic.
Sir, can you give us an feel of how the boxers' condition are? Like, kamusta sila, sir?
Yes,
They Olympic condition.
they're in high spirit and nakita ko, sinabayan ko nga. So, sinabayan ko ng isang training, siguro 1 round, 1 minute lang ako sila. So, hindi ko kaya ako. Mabigat, stretching pa lang, mabigat na. Yung ginagawa ng PT sa kanila. So, naiwan sa Metz, si Ira tsaka si Ira tsaka si Nesty. Naiwan sa Metz.
So
sa Metz sila.
May
Yung
kasparing sila doon?
Yes. Kasi sa Germany, bubugin ka doon.
So may kasparing sila.
So okay lang sina Uber sila mambubo. Pero si Ira and Nesty, sila ang may ka-sparring na hindi natin pinapakita yung cards natin.
Yeah. Sir, can I ask an update on, because the last time I saw John Ceniza and Vanessa in Rizal, they were still nursing injuries. So how are their injuries now?
They're good. Actually, I gave them, bago ko malis ng Metz, iniwanan ko sila ng supplement. Supply for a year supplement.
So what's up with it?
Whey?
Whey protein.
Whey protein.
I see.
Whey protein.
Next question.
Sir, I'm sure yung mga Pilipino gustong marinig yung projection. How would the Filipino athletes, the Philippine contingent will perform?
Ang pinakamagandang doon, conservatively graduating, we will surpass the Tokyo record. So, dali lang kung pwede nun. Because pag sinabi natin, we will surpass the Tokyo record. Actually, we surpassed the number of athletes. Di ba? From 19 to 22. Target na 25 eh. Nawala lang yung tatlo. Cycling and skateboarding. So kung nakapasok pa si basketball, ibang usapan na yun. Headache din sa atin yun dahil wala pang mga ID yun, yung lahat ng players. Ang daming babaguhin, ang daming
Sir, capable of winning more than 1 gold.
Definitely, if we will surpass the Tokyo record.
Which is 1-1. 1 gold.
Bahala na kayo kung 2 goals, 3 goals, 4 goals. So, basta malampasan natin yung Tokyo, di ba?
Sir, this is our the Philippines